Welcome back to our channel, Dangote Reviews. Today we are going to review this right here. This is Toyota's double cabin that is very beloved in Uganda and across the world. We call it the Hilux or the Hilux, depending on which school you went to, but I'll call it the Hilux for the sake of this video. The front, very aggressive. The lights, beautiful and very bright. And then it has fog lights, which is an added advantage. The grille, as you can see, it's really open to let all that air into that radiator that you can see there. Because this car is new, everything is highly visible, and I love that. Now the Hilux comes with alloy wheels directly from the factory, and as you can see, the ones on this one match the color of the car. We have different trims of this car, but this particular one here is the HC trim. Blinkers on the mirrors, chrome plated handles, and then a stepper down here. Because it's a very high car, most times you need to step on that stepper to be able to access the car. So Toyota has thought of all that and provided it for you. It has a very wide and long bed. Even with it being the Hilux,
Double cabin.
The space at the back here is really massive and it's big. At the back, this is the look we are familiar with. You can see these things cruising down the road at a very high speed, and it will still be stable. The bed is extendable by opening this cover.
Tailgate.
By opening this bed like this to make it a longer bed. Now let's get on the inside and we see, when you are the driver of this car, what do you see and how do you feel? The door bins are wide. Our controls for the power windows and mirrors. It is key. It uses a key to start. Though you get a variety of keys. You get this one that has no controls, and then these other two. Now on the inside of the Hilux, I will want to draw your attention to the steering wheel. We have controls for that screen right there, and that screen is able to do Apple CarPlay and also connect to your phone via a USB cable to be able to do Android Auto as well. You can answer phone calls or end them from here. You can control your media using the controls on the steering wheel. Our climate control can be controlled using these dials here. This is a manual drive. It has two modes, the eco and power mode. These ones allow you to consume less fuel or get more power, but then consume a little bit more fuel. We have storage in here. We have electronic stability control, and then you can also lock the wheels at the back to give you that traction when you're in slippery places. The way the dashboard was designed, I think, speaks for itself. It is good. It's plastic that mimics leather, and we have storage here. Then down here in the glove compartment, we have cup holders in this area, and then one speaker down here. It comes with a fire extinguisher because these cars are designed for very long distances and a lot of hard work, so just in case anything heats up, you have a fire extinguisher right there to save you. You can keep your glasses in here. That's all for the front. So let's check out the back and we see what this 2022 Toyota Hilux has for us. We have our speakers here. The chairs are really comfortable. I like the material. It doesn't seem to be easy to clean, so just make sure you don't dirten it. If you want to hang anything at the back of the car, this is there. It can handle 4 kgs maximum. You have a grab handle while you're entering the back here, and because this is a high car, this is really important and necessary. Cup holders with the armrest. And then I'm going to show you something about this screen at the back. You see these lines going through? Now look at this. So it has a heating element that allows it to defrost the glass. So in case you're driving and you want to have good visibility at the back, you can defrost the glass using those heating elements. And I think that's an extra touch that is really welcome. So this is the back. The legroom is massive, the headroom is enough, and I think this car is for business. This car is for someone who has retired and wants to do his farm work, or wants to run his businesses using this car. So that has been our review for the Toyota Hilux 2022 model. Like the video, subscribe. We're going to bring you much more. Thank you. Let's go.